Oh, hi everyone. It's Pam here from the Prosper Hub. I presented this talk a little while ago, and then I thought I would record it and put it online to basically spread my message to more people. Because there seem to be so many people who are very highly educated, with good degrees, working in high-powered jobs and making lots of money, and yet they don't seem to have come across certain things about money and how to make it work for them rather than the other way around. So they need to make their money work hard for them rather than them working hard for their money. So I thought I would share a few of my beliefs and some things that I've come across which have helped me enormously and made me financially free in a relatively short period of time. So firstly, what is financial freedom? Is it £1 million? Is it £10 million? Well, actually, it's much simpler than that, actually. So if you add up all your expenses in a month or in a year or a specific time period, and if you have enough money coming in that is greater than or equal to your expenses, whether you work or not, so basically money not coming in from your job but from other sources, then you are financially free. So that means that you could go on holiday or choose to work or not that day, and the money will still come in. Examples of this are things like rental income or interest or royalties from a song or adverts on your YouTube channel, things like that. And I made myself financially free in 2 years. I first learned how to do it and then worked really, really hard for those 2 years. I still work because I enjoy it and I do want to increase my level of wealth, but I don't exchange my time for money, and I can take days off whenever I want to. In fact, just yesterday I was helping one of my sons get ready to go back to university, and so I hardly worked on my business at all. So my money mantra, I've got a mnemonic, and it's actually my name, so it's easy for me to remember, and my name is Pamela. So the P stands for passive income, the A stands for assets, the M stands for mindset, the E stands for education, the L stands for leverage, and the A stands for action. And I'll be recording a clip on each of these sections and sharing my thoughts and knowledge about them in future clips.